Today I'm going to show you how to make an ambrosia salad. 8 ounces of sour cream. This is 1 cup of sour cream. And now I have 1 full tub or 1 container of whipped topping. And this is 8 ounces as well. And now we just want to stir this together. This is about 16 ounces of little mandarin oranges. About a cup of green grapes. If they're really large, you want to slice them in half. If they're small like this, I normally don't slice them. 1 cup of sweetened coconut, shredded coconut. Fruity mini marshmallows. 1.5 cups, 20 ounces of just pineapple tidbits. And then we have just under a cup, about 3/4 of a cup of maraschino cherries. There you go. That's what we do. There's no baking or cooking or anything required. And now we just want to fold this all together. And this fruit salad is very common in the springtime and summertime. I have a lid for this bowl. Just cover it and chill it until you want to serve it. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. So yeah. So amazing.